Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Soleil's Life. Today we'll be doing a quick dolman top. A dolman top is a top that has a sleeve already added onto it. So here we go, this is the pattern, this is the neckline, this is the shoulder, armhole, sleeves, side and waistline. And this is the neckline. I already put a facing onto the neckline, which I'm just going to stitch down, fold over and serge. So this is the back. Now I'm going to show you the front. The front is cut the exact same way. The difference is the front neckline. The front neckline, you could do a V, a deep plunging V, you could do a square, a half square. I mean, it's up to you, but this one here is going to be just a simple square neck. So we have the square neck with the liner already attached. I'm going to sew down and flip over and serge the ends. Always remember right side facing each other when you're pinning your facings. This will be the shoulder, this will be the sleeve, over here is the side, and this is the waistline. So this is what it looks like. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch the neckline, both front and back neckline. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch, and when I'm done doing that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and we'll move on to the next step. Here we have the neckline stitch, both front and back. So I've pinned the shoulders, so now I'm gonna stitch down along the shoulders. I'm also gonna double fold half inch over, and flat stitch down. So that's gonna be done on both the front and back sleeves. Also, I'm going to join the sides, and I'm going to put a hem on the waist. The same way I did on the sleeves, I'm going to do it on the waist. So it's just going to be a hem on the waist and a hem on the sleeves. I'm also going to join the sides. I'm going to stitch the shoulders, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what the shoulder line looks like after I've already stitched it down. And I did the same on the other side. So both of the shoulders are sewn. Now I pin the sleeves. Like I said, fold it over 2 times half of an inch, and I flat stitch. I'm going to flat stitch all the way down. I'm also doing that on both sides. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've stitched the side and serged it. I've folded half inch 2 times over on the waist. Now on the front middle of the waist, I place a buttonhole, just an option if you want to pull a string through it. So the buttonhole is to the front middle. As I said, you can use a string to pull through it, you could put an elastic through, or you could just wear it as is. So those are the options. So for that reason, that's why I place the buttonhole. Just remember, don't join the buttonhole to the back, just place it first and then fold and stitch down. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch down, and I'm going to place an elastic in the waist, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like.